Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin now. Open Ibis Paint X, set a 2048 x 2048 canvas or your target size, and pick 300 dpi if you might print. Next, place a reference image on its own locked layer and drop opacity to about 30% so it guides without dominating. Then sketch the eye shape roughly, refine proportions, and create distinct layers. Flats, shadows on multiply, highlights on overlay so you can paint non-destructively. Make a quick brush selection. Soft round for blends, hard pen for edges. Once your base is set, focus on the iris. Lay down a midtone, add a darker ring at the outer edge, and a lighter core or radial streaks to suggest depth. Use a soft radial brush for subtle transitions. Then paint the pupil with a hard edge and keep it perfectly centered. Add a small specular highlight at 0.5 to 2% opacity to sell wetness. Use the smudge tool sparingly, a low opacity airbrush for soft shadows on the lid, and a fine pen for lashes, varying stroke pressure for realism. To finish, add rim light along the tear duct and a faint colored wash, blue or amber, to unify the iris with the portrait, then paint tiny veins and a crisp white catchlight. Group your eye layers and duplicate them. On the duplicate, apply a gentle Gaussian blur at low opacity to create a soft atmospheric glow, then fine-tune saturation and contrast with adjustment layers. If your eyes still look flat, increase micro-contrast along the iris ribs and add 1 or 2 tiny specular dots to create dimensionality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.